Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary. Binary in the additional of the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, January the 21st, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday, and I've already solved two puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and I made a terrible mistake here. Anyway, we have two puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. But you are interested in the binary, boys and girls. This will be number 5834. 5834. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. And between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Well, I cannot place. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here in this column, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, not allowed. One of the rules. So this can we know this should be a 1. Alright. Then, here we have 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. It should be an O. Suppose I put the 1 net here, the 5th one, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. It should be an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third O, 1, and the fifth, sorry, the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth O, 1. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, the 4th one in this column, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. It should be an O. Now we have a double O here, and 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. That box should be a 1 then. Okay. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, then. Then, let me see. 3 here, 4. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Difficult, difficult, difficult. 1, 1, 2, 3. Well. I need to compare. No. One option left. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones in this column. So the rest are O's. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Need a 1 here. 1, 2, 3. Need an O there. Okay, I cannot compare these. Well, not true. Look to this row and that row, to the ones. Yeah, we have here the first one, the second one, the third one in this row. The fourth one is here in this row, so I cannot place in this row the fourth one there. Otherwise, oh well, I can. Let me compare because this is silly to explain this way. Okay, 1, 1, 0, 0. Wait, let me mark these rows. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have 1 and this should be an O. We have O and this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Need to compare again the rows on the columns. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, this will be difficult. This column and that column, double O, only here. Oh, this will be also difficult. Need to compare the rows. O10, yeah. This second row and that row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 and this should be no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct, in 8 minutes. Well, need to compare twice. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. No, not the last puzzle, because after these puzzles, and in the evening I will do the Binary Sudoku. Yeah. All right. Want to go. See you later. Bye bye for now.